According to reports, a new device from Xiaomi's lineup will be unveiled soon. The Snapdragon 898 chipset from Qualcomm will be used in this device before it is released. There is no doubt that the Xiaomi Mi 12 device will succeed its predecessors. There is a significant improvement in the specifications of this device compared to its predecessors. GSM Arena reports that the Xiaomi Mi 12 will use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 898 chipset, which supports LPDDR5X RAM. JEDEC has just introduced LPDDR5X RAM as a new flagship that improves on the previous series version 5. This LPDDR5X RAM offers data rates ranging from 6,400 megabits per second to 8,533 megabits per second, depending on the model. Double the speed of the previous LPDDR4X RAM. A future Android device, the Xiaomi Mi 12, will use this new technology. There is no doubt that LPDDR5X RAM will compete with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 898 in the innards department of smartphones. This device will have a 200MP camera sensor, according to another Xiaomi Mi 12 rumor that has surfaced. The size of the battery used by the Xiaomi Mi 12 is unknown. It is expected that this one device will charge at a 200W rate in order to support the battery industry. If rumors are to be believed, the Xiaomi Mi 12 will be unveiled in December 2021 as the company's new flagship. Why would you want to use the Xiaomi Mi 12 if it has such advanced specifications?